It's Haleigh. The holidays are all about generosity and connection, so this month we're sharing simple ways to give back. One of the most valuable is sharing your skills and talents. Offering your skills pro bono saves organizations resources and helps them reach more people. Even hobbies can make a difference. Giving back isn't always about money. Sometimes the most meaningful contributions come from unique gifts only you can provide. And those gifts can create lasting impacts well beyond holidays. For more tips, visit mycentric.org.